You're a beautiful man. I think I'll keep you.
Louise wasted the spring of her youth on Ronnie Raymond. But as Killer Frost, she'll make sure this city will fall into the winter of its discontent! I know your weakness. You ain't so fast. A slow, cold death for you. Starting to piss me off. Almost feel sorry for you. Just another man to punish. Only doing this because it's fun. I'll freeze your heart. Try it, fish fingers, and I'll show you the meaning of cold-blooded. That's payback, you dumbass. Walk it off, Captain Kangaroo. The Joker has a dirty bomb? That gives me the chills.
Batman. I was told some of the Justice League might show up. Should have expected it would be you. I'm a mass murderer. With any luck, I'm about to set a record. That's so cute. Between you and me, I did get a little something extra from Brainiac for my troubles. He gave me the technology to make these. Now tell me that isn't cool.
You're cutting into my beauty sleep, little girl. And if I don't get my 8 hours, I'm a real killer.
I have a family.
Oh, beg some more. It's much sweeter that way. Well, well, well. It's the brother. Care to share Tuppy's fate? Well, Tuppy, aren't you just full of hidden talents?
Killer Frost, keeping the society cool. Find your own truck to rob, idiots! Oh, Max, that's just not cool. This had better not be some Justice League scheme. About time. This device will convert the junction boxes down here into EMPs. Lex insists I stay until we know the device works. If it doesn't, don't expect a rescue. I'm cold that way.
I heard someone was messing with my little project. With you freeing all my captives, how am I supposed to decorate my frost garden? You're messing with my zen.